Good morning and welcome to the Hollaby Homestead. It's another day. The fencing perimeter is complete. So we got this section and then we did that section. That section was brutal to do, almost as bad as this section. Dave is just doing some light trimming with a chainsaw, and we are putting on electric wire on the inside of the fence. So we're gonna do 4 lines. We've already done a few, but I'll try to show you the process. We got this cool tool. It is called a spinning jenny, and it spins. It's meant for like the side-by-side would like drive along the inside of the fence, but the way we're using it currently is the side-by-side is parked at the corner because this is kind of our corner where wires start and wires end. And then Dave will walk this wire down the inside of the fence because I'm on the outside of the fence. So we will show you how that is done. This is really cool. I've never heard of these before, and they're super handy, super valuable, and they're not that much. We got this from the Amish. If you've ever been holding this wire in your hand and trying to unwind it, you'll know what I mean, why this tool is worth the investment, because it doesn't get tangled. It's super easy. It spins easy. Anyways, we'll show you. So yeah, here we go.
Huh? No, that's fine. Level with the spinner. No, level spinner would be like somewhere here, I imagine. We're gonna run out here in a minute.
Might be able to finish this back line. Hey, Pops.
Poppy.
Pop, Pop. Let me go in and see her. Hey, Poppy. Oh, a good girl. Sit. Sit. That's a good girl.
Good girl. Nope, I don't like that. Oh, holy, you're lucky I got that.
I might put that wire in the wrong place. Oh well, it's too pounded there. Oh well. There's a tool that you can get to screw these in with an impact drill. But I tend to suffer and just use my hands.
Just so you can whine about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Poppy!
Oh, I'm not worried about Poppy.
Where's a puppy? There's a Poppy. Good girly. Your recall is good, Poppy.
It's getting better. Hey, Pops. It's getting better, that's for sure.
So this is how he does the ends. I don't know what the real name of these are called, but we call these fencing eggs. Because they look like eggs.
Usually I do it a little wind and it'll break, but I don't have enough energy in my hand right now to do it, so I'm gonna cut it. Let me save that. Alright, well, if I snip this, we can... This stuff's bending a little bit easier now than the other day because it's warm.
Oh. Well, it is like 40 Celsius.
You can save that slowly. Come back and adjust them later. So these are the 3 lines. There's 1, 2, 3 that I've done. You can't really see it too well until you get to a post, but here, because we did a section without any posts, because cutting down T-posts are a little bit cheaper, but here's 3 lines and they're evenly spaced. Yeah, it worked out pretty nice. And I used the wire, because usually I use rope, but I used the wire because the wire is a little bit more, it's better. And as we're having sheep, I'm afraid if the power ever goes out and they chew the rope, so they won't chew the wire. So yeah.
Well, that's all we're gonna do today.
Yeah,
it's hot.
It is hot, and we've only got, out of the 4 sides, we've done 3, so we've only got 1 straight here, and that won't take long.
One more side left.
Yeah.
Basically. Long story short. I don't know. Got a couple other little things to do along here, but
I think this one's done.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it all done, and
The back is done. Also, the dogs seem to be adjusting a lot better. Today, they've been out here about 3 or 4 times. The first time Poppy, our livestock dog that was abused before we got her, she was a little freaked out and nervous and stuff. So we weren't sure how she was going to cope with that, but the last couple times she's been
Well, today I left the gate open. I
Yes.
usually close the gate, but today I left it open so they can come and go.
so you know, she's doing a lot better. Bailey, I mean, he's a natural. He doesn't care where you put him. He's just been hanging out here in the shade the whole time. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the demonstration on our spinning Jenny that we got from the Amish. And you know, it makes electric wire install a lot easier, right?
Oh, yes.
Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.